Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best indoor greenhouses that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Barina Mini Greenhouse with LED Grow Light. This structure earned the title of Best Indoor Greenhouse. We love that it's spacious, but not overwhelming, allowing you to grow indoor plants or herbs inside without taking up too much room. You can also use it on a patio or porch thanks to the waterproof and wind-resistant cover made of eco-friendly EVA material that offers cold and frost protection. It's transparent with ventilated windows, which is great for monitoring without opening the cover up. When you need to open it, you can use the roll-up zippered door. The shelves hold up to 220 pounds total, and they can be adjusted to 4 different heights. The 3 2-foot grow lights are operated via 4 dimmable levels and 3 automatic timer options, 3, 6, or 12 hours. The included wheels make it easy to move the greenhouse around if needed, and they can lock in place when stationary. Though assembly is required, no tools are needed to put together the structure. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ohuhu Mini Greenhouse. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this is the best indoor greenhouse for you. This structure features 4 tiers and a mesh polyethylene cover that's corrosion-resistant, low-temperature resistant, waterproof, and ultraviolet-proof. The cover also features a zippered roll-up door, with a strap to keep it open, that makes it easy to check on plants. Each shelf has a capacity of 22 pounds, measures 24 by 4 by 17.3 inches, and can be stabilized with 8 fixing buckles. You can either opt for the single-layer roof or spring for the double-layer roof, which comes with an interior hanging rod at the top for structural stability and grow lights or fans. Assembly and disassembly is a breeze. Anchoring the shelf to the wall is an extra step in the assembly process, but it will offer more stability and help prevent the shelf from toppling over. The sandbag pouches on the bottom sides also help provide additional support. At number 3, we have the B-Strip Mini Greenhouse. Grow lights can help your plants receive sufficient sunlight, especially if your greenhouse is tucked away in a dark corner of your house. For the best indoor greenhouse with grow lights, we chose the B-Strip Mini Greenhouse with Grow Light. This is one of the best indoor greenhouses because it's equipped with 4 tiers of rigid steel tubing, a durable PVC cover, and an adjustable grow light on every shelf. The cover includes a roll-up door with 2 ties that keep it secured at the top, allowing you to care for your plants easily. The grow lights include a multi-function switch with 3 light modes: yellow, pink, and mixed. It can be set for 3, 6, or 12-hour timers with 5 brightness options. This customization will help ensure your plants are getting the exact kind of light they need at all times. We love that no tools are required for assembly with this indoor greenhouse. Everything simply snaps into place. Each shelf can be removed, which is helpful for adding shorter plants or allowing extra room for tall plants. The shelves featured a metal grid design, which may require a plastic mat over them if you plan on growing seedlings or smaller plants. At number 2, we have the Pure Garden 3-tier Greenhouse. This budget-friendly indoor greenhouse is ideal for those who are new to gardening, both because of its affordability and its small footprint. Indoor greenhouses can take up a lot of space, necessitating you move around other things in your home. This one doesn't, focused on the vertical versus the horizontal in the form of 3 or 4 tiers. The structure is made of sturdy iron tubing that's been powder-coated to protect it from rust and corrosion if you choose to put it outside. It's covered in a heat-trapping PVC cover with a zippered roll-up door for easy access to plants, plus a tie strap to keep it open when needed. The wire shelving unfortunately can't be adjusted, though you can easily remove shelving if you're trying to grow a tall plant and need some extra height. No tools are required for assembly, which is always a win. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pore Hut Pop-Up Greenhouse Tent. If you have limited space in your home and need an indoor garden that will store easily, The Pore Hut pop-up greenhouse cover is the best indoor greenhouse for you. The pop-up design allows you to fold it down compactly when not in use. There are 3 different sizes to choose from: 52, 63.7, or 85 inches tall. Lightweight yet sturdy, the cover is made from 600D Oxford and double-layer PE mesh fabric you can see through. Regardless of size, each greenhouse comes with a door that can be unzipped and rolled up for access and ventilation. This greenhouse also has 2 micro-mesh windows for even more ventilation. If you want to take it outside, you can thanks to the included stakes and ropes that will increase stability and wind resistance. Keep in mind that like the M-Combo 35.4 by 14.6 inch cold frame, this indoor greenhouse doesn't have a floor. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.